The butterfly is one of my favorite moves of all time. It's super fun and can also be pretty sexy if you want it to be. I'll break down how to do it. So first off, you're going to want to rotate both your legs in and out. So put your weight toward the front of your feet, rotate your legs in and out. Keep doing this for a while. You want to get really comfortable with this motion. You're working your legs off of each other. They both rotate in and out at the same time. Now, rotate them in, push your hips forward. This will force your knees apart. Then push your hips back, rotate your knees in. Push forward, rotate out. Push back, rotate in. Push forward, rotate out. Push back, rotate in. Push forward, rotate out. Push back, rotate in. Push forward, rotate out. On and on and on until you're very comfortable with this sequence of movements. Moving your hips forward and back should be pretty familiar from our hip twist variations, but let's revisit it here. You just want to swing your pelvis forward and back. The other movement, of course, is our knees rotating in and out, our legs rotating in and out. It's really these two movements that make up the butterfly. Now we can smooth them together where we go forward, rotate out, back, rotate in, forward, rotate out, back, rotate in. What do you do with your arms? So a few good arm stylings. One, put your hands onto your legs and let them move around a little bit as you're dancing. You can be like, yes, I have lovely jeans. Another one, you can have one arm forward and one arm back, like so. Another good one is do a similar movement to the butterfly with your arms, like this. Now give that a try with the butterfly, and then whatever your favorite arms are, just try dancing it a bit.